Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well today. This is just a little extra video for the channel to follow up on a video that I made a while back talking about the Amber X. The folks over at Latticeworks sent me the Amber X device to review, and I shared that with you. And in that video, I also talked about how here very soon, Google is going to start getting rid of accounts that haven't been accessed in a while. And so what I want to do is walk you through the process of actually downloading all of your Google Drive data and storing it on your Amber X device. So this is actually a pretty simple process. So what we're going to do is jump over to my desktop and get started. So here we are on the Google Drive download page. What we're going to do is actually download this program, which I've already done, and I've already installed it. So here it is on my desktop, ready to go. I haven't gone any further than just downloading and installing the application. So what we're going to do is click on Get Started. We're going to sign in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address here, like so, and I'm going to click Next. And then, of course, it's like you would expect, it's going to want a password here. So I'll go ahead and enter my password and click Next. So now in a separate screen, because I've got two-factor authentication turned on, here it's saying, hey, we need you to verify who you are. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now that's done, so I can come back to here. And we'll give this a second. So choose folders from your computer to continuously back up to Google Drive. So I'm going to say, okay, I got that. I understand how this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is actually uncheck all of these. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to change this. What I'll do is I'm going to come over to my big storage drive. Gosh, I don't remember which one it is. We're going to put it on this one right here. And I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Google Drive, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and select folder. And so now basically what it's going to do is download all of my Google Drive data to that folder. So we're going to sync everything in this drive, or you can be fairly specific in what you want to back up. But I want to sync everything. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start. And so now it's just running in the background here. There it goes. So here is my Google Drive. It actually opened that folder for me automatically, and I believe that there's probably, oh, there it is. So right down here is an icon that shows that it is synchronizing some folders here. So let's see if maybe we can open that. There we go. So now we can see that it's downloading everything. There we go. So now I went ahead and refreshed that page, and here we can see all of the files and folders that it's currently backing up from my Google Drive folder. So here we can see everything that it's currently downloading and what it has completed from my Google Drive account. So when I set up the Amber X device, one of the programs that was installed was called Amber IX. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. Give that just a second to open up and do its thing. All right, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to click on Backup Pool right here, and we're going to schedule a new backup task. By default, if you've only got one Amber device here, it may automatically just have your Amber device listed. But because I've got the Amber X as well as the Amber Pro, I'm given the opportunity to select which device I'd like my backups to go to. So I'm going to select the Amber X. I'm going to click Next. And then what I'm going to do is find that Google Drive folder that we just created and we're backing up to. So I'm going to check that box. I'm going to click Apply. And there we go. So now we can see that that is backing up. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is actually make sure that all those files are ending up on our device. So what we can do is we'll open up our Amber X dashboard in our browser here. We'll go to File Explorer, and then right here under Home, under Personal, it says My Devices. So I'll double click that. Right here is the backup folder that we just created today. That's 11:20 at about 2:20 in the afternoon. So that was just a couple of minutes ago. So right here is DB Tech. Right there is Google Drive. And right there is our first part of our backup from the Google Drive account. So just to verify that. So then if I drag this up here, we take a look. So right now we're in Google Drive. We're under Bruce Banner Backup. And if we take a look here, right here is that Bruce Banner Backup. That's just a couple of months old. And right here are all of the files and folders, or files that are in here anyway, that it's currently in the process of backing up. So remember, what we're doing is we're actually backing up everything, which is about 35 gigs in my case. We're backing all of that up from Google Drive to a hard drive on my local computer. And then from there, once that's synchronized, the Amber IX program will then push all of that data over to the Amber X device. So there you go. There's how to back up your Google Drive account to your Amber X device. just to prevent any kind of mishap from happening, as well as having an extra backup of all of your data, which you should always have in multiple locations. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, it would mean a lot to me if you give the video a thumbs up. Really would help me out a bunch. And I want to give a big shout out to the folks over at Latticework for letting me be part of their Amber X launch. If you're interested in this kind of content, whether we're talking about Amber devices or home servers and self-hosting and that sort of thing, definitely get subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the comment section of my next video.